I made more than $20,800 with this Faceless channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to be able to do the same. In this video, I'm going to show you all my private strategies, all the tools I'm using, and basically how I was able to scale this channel in this niche to more than $20,000, all right? Making around $400 a day, all right? The RPM for this niche is higher, only I'm making 15-minute videos, although you can make 30-minute videos, but still the RPM is $5 to $6 or so. And here you can see roughly the income I've had. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to copy me and start your channel. The channel already has more than 52,000 subscribers, and as you see, the income stays stable, and I keep getting pretty stable views. And well, now let's move straight into the strategy I'm using, all right? For example, this is a channel doing something pretty similar, all right? And as you see, it's also getting hundreds of thousands of views on its videos, all right? They're pretty simple videos to make, and we can make them with one click, and now you're going to find out how. Then here, there's also another channel in Spanish with a similar format that's also getting hundreds of thousands of views, as you can see. In my case, my channel is quite a bit bigger than the two I've shown you because my channel is one of the best there is in this niche. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to basically replicate it. For that, I've prepared a free document, which you have in the description of this video, where I'm going to give you all the resources and absolutely all the tools I'm using when we're going to go from the perfect script to making the video with just one click, all right? The first thing you're going to have to do is download this folder. You're going to go to this link and download this folder, which is pretty simple. Inside that folder, you're going to have the resources. Like always, you have the resources inside the folder. This is a reference so you can get started, all right? The only thing you have to do is go to Claude to make the script, and you're going to upload this text file, all right, which is the prompt for the script. Then the only thing you'll have to tell it is make a new script and title. And well, now what you can do is send the prompt. And here, as you see, it's basically analyzing the whole prompt we sent it, since it's a pretty long prompt. So it needs time to analyze it well, all right? And as you see, it's already made the video title, and it's also made the whole script. So we already have the first step done. Then the next part is really simple. The only thing you're going to have to do is go to this website, all right, called GoMotion, which basically works like this. You paste the script, and it's going to generate a video with motion graphics, animations, and voices like the ones on 11 Labs. And it's also going to put in real background clips and absolutely everything. It's also going to add subtitles, transitions, and everything a viral video needs. And you can make this type of video for a nearly ridiculous price, around $1. So, well, I'm going to show you roughly how to make videos with GoMotion. And the only thing you have to do is copy your video script and paste it here, all right? If you see the script is short, you can tell Claude to make it longer. No problem, all right? Then here in voices, you're going to have basically voices like the ones on 11 Labs, all right? All of these are 11 Labs quality voices, plus you have voices in every language, in Spanish, in Russian, in whatever language you want. What I like about this website is that the price is really cheap, because 11 Labs on the paid plans already costs you $2 just to make the audio. And on this program, you can make a whole video with one click for a bit over $1. I mean, the value is incredible. So, well, here you select whichever voice you like most. You can listen to them and everything, even filter them by accent or whatever you want, and select whichever one you like most. Then here you can select the music and a few more options, including whether you want subtitles or not. And here you can already generate the video, which would cost 110 credits, which is a bit over $1. And now I'm going to show you roughly what the video quality is like so you can get an idea of what GoMotion does. Here, I'm going to show you one of my projects for my channel. Well, for the channel I'm making more than $20,000 a month with, like I've already shown you. So I'm going to show you one of the videos I made for that channel, all right? With GoMotion, one of those projects, all right? Here, as you see, it's already putting in the animations, the subtitles. It's also putting in the background footage, and well, it adds different types of animations and transitions and absolutely everything, all right? Here there are more animations and a lot more things. It also has sound effects and a lot more stuff. And basically what this does is put the whole video together. It's going to put the whole video together, as you see, with absolutely everything you need. From the footage to the subtitles to the animations, it adds map motion graphics, and it also adds graphics, these map animations too, and a whole lot of other things. Honestly, the video quality is pretty good. You can see more animations it also adds, and it also adds this type of graphic. And well, this is basically the type of video you can make with GoMotion with just one click. In my case, honestly, I recommend it a lot, and it's the tool I'm using for my channel. Now the last step, all right, since we already have the whole video, we also have the script and the title. The only thing left is making the thumbnail. You'll see it's also really easy to make the thumbnail. The only thing you're going to have to do is go to the folder for the thumbnail, and you're going to upload these 3 images, all right? Click where it says add to prompt for all 3. Then you're going to go to the folder, and here you're going to have a prompt. So the only thing you have to do is open that text file and copy the whole prompt. And the only thing you have to do is paste it here. Then you're going to go to Claude and copy the video title. And here where it says video title, you're going to paste the video title. Then you click generate here. And now the thumbnails are going to start generating. And here, as you see, some of the thumbnails have already been generated. This is a reference so you can generate thumbnails with a viral style. Obviously, each person can use their own style for their channel. If you want a different thumbnail style, you can look for another one. In my case, well, I'm giving you this one so you can do it quickly. And well, this would basically be the process. Make the script with Claude, then go to Go Motion and make the whole video, then go here and make the thumbnail. And now you could directly upload this video to YouTube. As you see, this whole thing took less than 5 minutes to make, and this is a video that could easily get more than 10,000 views. And this is exactly what I'm doing on this channel, where I made more than $20,000. By the way, if you want to get results like the ones I'm getting or similar, you can join my school community, where I basically teach you absolutely everything. You're going to have access to me 24 hours a day, to all my private niches, my private strategies, my private systems. Plus, you're going to have access to YouTube channels that I'll give you myself. And on top of that, you're also going to get a pre-monetized channel when you join the community. All right, it's a special offer we're launching right now. Plus, you're going to have access to private GPTs, private programs, private strategies, and basically everything you need to succeed on Faceless YouTube. All right, here. In fact, you can also see the results the members of this community are getting. For example, this member who made more than $9,400 in just 1 month. All right, but there are more results. For example, this other member who made more than $13,500 in about a month too. And here you can see more results from people who are monetizing their channels, and a lot more results. So you have the link to my school community in the description of this video in case you want to basically discover all the strategies and have me guide you step by step on how to succeed at YouTube automation.